And with more and more people getting vaccinated each day, we are starting to turn a corner.
The country taking a big step toward life back to normal. It's our top story here on the ABC4 News at 5. Good evening, I'm Emily Flores.
And I'm Glenn Mills. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. The CDC now releasing its highly anticipated guidelines for people fully vaccinated against COVID-19. The guidance clears the way for them to visit with other fully vaccinated people without masks and social distancing. ABC4's Jordan Burroughs on this story for us today. He talked to Intermountain Healthcare about these changes. Jordan, what are they saying?
Hey Glenn, I can tell you the CDC guidelines are interim, meaning the CDC could change these at any time. However, the CDC says they will change them depending on how our fight against the COVID-19 pandemic is going. I spoke to Intermountain Healthcare's infectious disease physician, Dr. Brandon Webb, who says it's a positive sign of what's to come with these CDC guidelines.
These new recommendations from the CDC are certainly very welcome.
It is a welcoming sight to see a favorable decline in COVID-19 transmission. In Utah, the 7-day average of COVID-19 cases has dropped tremendously from January of 2021 to March of 2021. Those cases are down from 2,800 to 518. That's an 81% decrease in cases.
We're starting to see that the community perception is shifting to see this as really as our most important tool.
Dr. Webb is an infectious disease physician at Intermountain Healthcare. He sees the vaccine as a tool and says our country needs to win this race and overcome the pandemic.
They reflect the progress that we've made in terms of having access to vaccination and having many, many more people vaccinated.
The CDC released new guidelines today. They say fully vaccinated people can visit with other fully vaccinated people indoors without wearing masks or physical distancing. They can also visit with unvaccinated people from a single household who are at low risk for severe COVID-19 disease indoors without wearing masks or physical distancing.
So what does this mean? If you and a friend or you and a family member are both vaccinated, you can have dinner together.
The CDC says people still need to fight this pandemic together and still need to avoid medium and large-sized gatherings. The new interim guidelines could change, but Dr. Webb says that's a positive sign.
It's inappropriate to expect that recommendations will remain static. We don't want them to be static. We want them to reflect, as our understanding increases, the latest in the science.
These new CDC guidelines are a great first step in addressing what is safe for fully vaccinated people. To be fully vaccinated, it means you need to have your dosage. That's either 2 doses of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine or that 1 single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and have to wait 2 weeks. That's when you're claimed to be fully vaccinated. Reporting live from Murray, I'm Jordan Burroughs, ABC4 News.
All right.